Okay, all right. Now let's go for the test. Let's test for the origin. Okay, so that means x has got to be negative x, y has got to be negative y. Okay, so here, like this, negative y. Remember previously when we have odd index, we could pull out the negative out. And you know you could divide it by -1. So at the end we get y equals, oh, voila. Isn't that the same thing as the original? Yes, so it passed. So what would you say at the end? We're going to say the function obviously is symmetry over the origin dot. It's a bit long, but okay. Let's continue with 25. You know what? Let's just do 25 and 27. Okay. So in other words, let's just skip. Let me just do 25 first. Well, let me just skip 25. I'm going to show you because 25 is very straightforward. You know, the answer is none. Forget the intercepts. I'm not going to ask you to find the intercept. 26. I'm going to show you 27, okay? So skip these. Okay, skip. But let me show you 27. Okay, same way. Let's test for the x's. That means, obviously, immediately you know you're going to say, I want to replace with negative y. Now, as soon as you do that, what happened? You know this is not going to be the same as the origin. So you failed. Okay, let's run the test for the y-axis. That means x equals negative x. You know this is going to fail. Watch how I write. You see how I use parentheses? Like that. So here this is going to be x to the 4, negative 2 to the x fifth, which is not the same. So again, it failed. Okay. How about the origin? Let's test for the origin. That means x has got to be negative x, y has to be negative y. Okay, so then here will be negative y, negative x, negative 2, negative x to the fifth. So that means, first of all, this is positive, as we did here. You know this is going to be negative. Now, here's a little technique that you really have to know. You see how we have negative in denominator? This is monomial. So when we have one term, you could bring the negative in the middle. So here will be negative. And again, voila, negative, negative. You could, you know, divide by negative. So this will be, turns out to be positive. So yes. Okay, so that this you know answer here will be obviously symmetry over the origin. Okay.